Imagine clipping a tiny device to your shirt, and suddenly your phone feels outdated. Apple is secretly building an AI pin that can see, hear, and understand the world around you. No screen, no swipes, no distractions. If this works, wearables may never be the same again. The birth of the AI pin. Apple has dominated wearables for over a decade, from the iPod connected accessories to the Apple Watch. But the AI pin represents a bold departure. Unlike phones, watches, or glasses, this device is a flat, circular disc designed to clip onto clothing, roughly the size of a slightly thicker AirTag. Early prototypes reportedly feature dual front-facing cameras, a standard lens for detail, and a wide-angle lens for environmental context, 3 microphones, a speaker, and a rear charging system reminiscent of the Apple Watch. This combination signals that Apple isn't building another fitness tracker or notification hub. Instead, they're creating a context-aware AI companion that can see, hear, and respond to the environment in real time. The AI pin is not a concept device. It's part of Apple's broader vision for wearable intelligence. Apple's strategy emphasizes on-device processing, using custom neural engines for efficient AI inference, while heavier computations can be offloaded to iCloud securely. By blending hardware and AI software tightly, Apple aims to overcome a long-standing limitation of wearables: the lack of real-world context. Phones only respond to explicit input, but an AI pin can anticipate needs and provide instant insights based on its surroundings. The timing is crucial. Apple plans to launch around 2027, allowing time to perfect the technology and avoid past failures. History shows that AI pins are fraught with challenges. Examples like the Humane AI pins suffered from poor battery life, limited usefulness, and social discomfort. Apple's meticulous approach suggests they are learning from these lessons, designing a device that prioritizes both functionality and user trust. If successful, the AI pin could transform how people interact with technology, making intelligence wearable, unobtrusive, and immediately accessible. Inside the AI pin's hardware is where Apple's vision comes to life. Its dual camera system is designed for more than snapshots. The wide-angle lens captures the surrounding environment, while the standard lens focuses on fine details. This allows the device to recognize objects, monitor movement, and provide context-aware responses. Combined with 3 microphones, it can transcribe conversations, summarize meetings, or translate speech in real time. A built-in speaker enables discrete audio feedback, while a single multifunction button triggers, captures, mutes microphones, or activates the assistant without voice commands. Apple's custom silicon is key to making this small device work efficiently. Neural engines optimized for low-power on-device AI allow real-time scene analysis without draining the battery excessively. Ultra-wideband (UWB) chips such as the U1 and U2 also provide precise location tracking, enabling features like navigation, object finding, or proximity-based automation. The integration of these chips with dual cameras and microphones creates a fully aware, context-sensitive device. The implications for daily life are profound. The AI pin could identify ingredients while cooking, recognize parts during repairs, or provide accessibility assistance for visually impaired users. Its compact nature makes it wearable everywhere. Challenges: battery, heat, and privacy. Despite the promise, Apple faces enormous hurdles. Continuous audio and video processing consumes a lot of power, and packing cameras, AI processors, and radios into a small pin risks overheating. Battery life is critical. The device must last a full day under heavy usage, a challenge previous AI pins struggled with. Efficient low-power chips, adaptive processing, and intelligent sleep modes may help, but engineering such a small device to last hours under real-world conditions is no small feat. Social and privacy concerns are equally significant. Cameras on clothing trigger immediate questions about surveillance and consent. Users may feel uncomfortable being recorded, while others may fear unintentional data capture. Apple must make privacy transparent, including clear indicators when the device is active, and process sensitive data on device whenever possible. Cloud integration must also be secure, maintaining trust while delivering functionality. Microsoft's Ro Alpha. Microsoft is expanding AI into robots that move, touch, and adapt to the real world. Ro Alpha, Microsoft's new robotics AI model, blends vision and tactile feedback to allow robots to adjust in real time. Unlike traditional factory robots, which rely on rigid scripts, Ro Alpha can adapt to new situations, correct mistakes, and learn continuously. The system uses simulated and real-world data to train robots for complex two-handed tasks. Tactile sensors allow robots to adjust based on touch, while vision systems provide spatial awareness. Microsoft's model addresses a long-standing challenge in robotics: the lack of diverse, high-quality training data. By combining simulation with real-world input, robots can learn tasks more efficiently and adapt to environments humans inhabit. OpenAI and AI safety. OpenAI has introduced age prediction for ChatGPT users to ensure under 18s experience a safer environment. The system analyzes behavioral patterns, account age, and usage times to flag accounts likely belonging to teens. When flagged, AI content filters restrict exposure to violent, explicit, or otherwise harmful material. Parental controls extend these protections, letting guardians link accounts, set quiet hours, and monitor risky activity. OpenAI also provides a verification process for adults incorrectly flagged, balancing safety with accessibility. This highlights a critical aspect of AI development. Capability alone isn't enough. Intelligent systems must also integrate responsible access, governance, and protective measures to prevent misuse or harm. YouTube's AI revolution. YouTube is positioning itself at the forefront of the AI revolution, turning the platform into more than just a video sharing site. In 2026, AI is set to transform how creators make, distribute, and monetize content. Creators will be able to generate shorts using AI-assisted avatars, allowing them to appear on screen without ever filming themselves. This opens up endless possibilities for those who want a presence without a camera-heavy setup, or for creators who want to experiment with storytelling in virtual spaces. Beyond avatars, AI will enable the creation of simple games directly from text prompts through YouTube's experimental Playables program, letting fans interact with content in entirely new ways. AI-assisted music production will also allow creators to compose soundtracks or remix tracks instantly, enhancing the production value of shorts, live streams, and long-form videos.
The future. Apple's AI Pin represents a bold attempt to redefine wearable technology. It combines context-aware hardware, on-device AI processing, and deep iPhone integration, all in a device small enough to clip to clothing. Unlike previous AI Pin failures, Apple is taking a cautious, methodical approach, focusing on solving problems that have historically plagued such devices: battery life, heat management, latency, and social acceptance. If Apple succeeds, the AI Pin could turn intelligence into a personal companion, a device that sees, hears, and interacts seamlessly with the world without requiring users to pull out a phone or touch a screen. Yet the challenges remain formidable. Small form factors inherently limit battery capacity, making long-term continuous AI processing difficult. Packing cameras, microphones, neural engines, and radios into a coin-sized device generates heat, and managing this without sacrificing performance is no small task. Social and privacy concerns also loom large. Visible cameras raise questions about consent, surveillance, and comfort. Apple will need clear visual indicators, strict on-device data processing, and robust encryption to maintain user trust. Success will demand not only engineering excellence but also thoughtful user experience design, ensuring the AI Pin is intuitive, responsive, and socially acceptable. The AI Pin exists at the intersection of perception, action, and human interaction. Combined with Microsoft's Ro Alpha robotics, OpenAI's governance systems, and YouTube's AI-driven creation platforms, it reflects a broader trend. Intelligence is becoming embedded in every facet of life, from wearable devices to physical automation and content ecosystems. Unlike other wearables, the AI pin could fundamentally change how humans interact with technology, providing contextual assistance, accessibility features, and real-time insights in ways never possible before. Ultimately, the AI pin is more than a gadget. It is a statement about the future of personal AI. If it succeeds, it may set the standard for intelligent wearables, proving that devices can be proactive, intuitive, and socially aware. Its small size belies its potential impact, demonstrating that with careful design, rigorous testing, and thoughtful integration, humans can finally have an AI companion that lives alongside them, transforming daily life, productivity, and interaction with the world. Apple's AI pin could be the turning point where wearable intelligence moves from novelty to necessity.